Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Protocol to diagnose uterine anomalies on hysterosalpingography. First, for diagnosing the uterine anomalies, first you should have to see the external counter. Second, number of fallopian tubes on hysterosalpingography. Third, number of uterine cavities. If there are two fallopian tubes found, then we should see the number of uterine cavities. And fourth, number of cervices are also seen. So these four are the protocols for diagnosing uterine anomalies on hysterosalpingography.
thank you and thank you for watching.